Italy, a land of breathtaking beauty, ancient wonders, and irresistible cuisine. But beneath the charm, hidden tourist traps can turn a dream trip into a costly disappointment. Today we'll uncover 7 of Italy's most common pitfalls at its most iconic attractions. I'll show you what to watch for, and how to navigate these situations with confidence. Millions visit each year, drawn by history, art, and the promise of authentic experiences. But popularity brings challenges. So let's arm ourselves with knowledge. Let's begin our journey. In the heart of Rome, the Colosseum rises from the cityscape, a breathtaking symbol of ancient grandeur and the enduring spirit of the eternal city. For centuries, it has stood as a silent witness to history, drawing millions of visitors from around the world who come to marvel at its colossal arches and imagine the roar of the crowds that once filled its seats. Today, the Colosseum's legacy lives on in a new, unexpected way. Just outside its ancient walls, you'll encounter gladiators dressed in shiny plastic armor, ready to greet you with a theatrical smile and a dramatic pose. These modern-day performers are eager to offer you a taste of Roman spectacle, at least for the camera. At first they seem friendly and harmless, inviting you to join them for a quick photo. But once the picture is snapped, the mood can shift quickly. Suddenly you may find yourself facing an aggressive demand for a hefty fee, sometimes far more than you expected, and often delivered with surprising insistence. The best way to avoid this common tourist trap is simple. Never engage with these performers, don't accept any props or costumes, and always decline photos, no matter how persistent they may be. A polite, but firm, no grazie, goes a long way. Instead, let your camera capture the true majesty of the Colosseum itself. Take your own photos. These will be your most authentic and cherished souvenirs, far more meaningful than any staged snapshot with a costumed stranger. To make the most of your visit, plan ahead. Book your tickets online directly from the official Colosseum website. This not only helps you skip the notoriously long lines, but also ensures you pay a fair price and avoid falling victim to ticket scams or inflated prices from unofficial sellers. For a richer experience, consider hiring a licensed guide. A knowledgeable guide can bring the Colosseum's dramatic history to life, sharing stories of gladiators, emperors, and epic battles that shaped the ancient world. Plus, guided tours often include special access to areas not open to the general public. As you explore, remember not to let the theatrics and distractions outside the monument pull your attention away from the real wonder before you. The Colosseum's true story is written in its stones, not in staged encounters or street performances. Preparation is your best defense. Take a few minutes to read up on the Colosseum's history, check your route, and know what to expect before you arrive. A little research can help you avoid common pitfalls and make your visit smooth and memorable. Steer clear of unofficial vendors and street sellers who may try to pressure you into buying overpriced souvenirs or tickets. Enjoy the monument on your own terms, at your own pace, and don't feel rushed or obligated to engage with anyone you're not comfortable with. The Colosseum's true magic lies in its weathered stones, its soaring arches, and the stories they hold. Take a moment to stand in awe of this ancient arena, and let its history speak to you. That's how you truly conquer Rome's most famous arena, by experiencing its authentic wonder, and making memories that are entirely your own. The Trevi Fountain is one of Rome's most iconic landmarks, a place where romance seems to float on the air, and dreams are tossed into the water with every coin. But beneath the surface of this enchanting scene, a different kind of story unfolds, one where not all gestures of kindness are what they seem. The tradition here is simple: toss a coin over your left shoulder, make a wish, and legend says you'll return to Rome someday. It's a ritual that draws millions, each hoping for a little magic. But as you're swept up in the moment, be cautious. Around the fountain, you'll often encounter strangers, usually with a friendly smile, offering you a free rose, or sometimes even a small trinket. Others might approach, offering to take your photo so you can capture the perfect memory. It all seems harmless, even generous. But here's the catch: once you accept, the mood can shift quickly. Suddenly, the gift isn't free at all. The vendor may demand payment, sometimes loudly, drawing attention and making you feel pressured or embarrassed into paying far more than the rose is worth. The best defense is to be polite, but firm. A simple no grazie, no thank you in Italian, goes a long way. Don't accept gifts from strangers, no matter how insistent or charming they may seem, and when it comes to your camera or phone, think twice before handing it over to someone you don't know. While most people are honest, some may use the opportunity to ask for money or, in rare cases, even walk away with your device. Remember, their power lies in your hesitation. If you're direct and confident, you take away their leverage. Don't be afraid to walk away and remove yourself from uncomfortable situations. For a truly magical experience, consider visiting the Trevi fountain early in the morning, just as the city wakes up. The crowds are thin, the air is fresh, and you can enjoy the beauty of the fountain in peace. Or come late at night when the fountain is beautifully illuminated and the hustle and bustle have faded away. These are the moments when the Trevi reveals its true charm. Take time to admire the intricate sculptures and the sound of water cascading over marble. The fountain's artistry and history are more than enough to leave you in awe. No rose or souvenir required. Choose your moment wisely, and you'll find yourself immersed in the art and ambiance that have inspired visitors for centuries. Don't let pressure or scams steal your joy. Instead, create your own authentic memories, ones that are truly yours. The real treasure of the Trevi fountain isn't a forced souvenir or a purchased rose. It's the experience itself, the wonder, the history, and the stories you'll carry home. Stay alert, trust your instincts, and let the Trevi fountain enchant you with its timeless magic. That's the true magic of Rome, an experience that's yours to keep long after the coins have settled on the fountain's floor. Venice's gondola rides are legendary, synonymous with romance, history, and the city's unique charm. But beneath the postcard-perfect scenes, there's a less glamorous side, the notorious gondola rip-offs that catch many travelers off guard. While official prices are posted, not every gondolier plays by the rules. Some inflate rates, cut rides short, or squeeze in extra passengers to maximize their earnings. Others might insist on cash only, making it harder to dispute overcharges later. And then, there are the serenades. Sometimes delightful, sometimes a setup for a surprise fee at the end of your journey. A song that starts as a friendly gesture can quickly turn into an unexpected expense. To avoid disappointment, always use official gondola stations. Ask to see the price list and don't be shy about confirming the price, the duration, and the exact route before you step aboard. Transparency is your best defense. Clarify every detail, especially whether the price is per boat or per person. This simple question can save you from a costly misunderstanding later. And don't forget to confirm the length of your ride. Is it really a full 30 minutes or will you be back at the dock in 15? Set a timer if you need to. After all, you're paying for the experience. If the gondolier seems evasive, vague, or unwilling to answer your questions, trust your instincts and walk away. Venice is full of honest gondoliers who will respect your expectations. For a truly memorable ride, skip the crowded Grand Canal and head to quieter neighborhoods like Cannaregio or Dorso Duro. Here, you'll find peaceful canals, fewer tourists, and a more authentic Venetian atmosphere. The real magic of Venice is found in these tranquil waterways, where the only sounds are the gentle splash of the oar and the distant echo of church bells, not the chatter of crowds or the roar of motorboats. Be clear, be firm, and don't hesitate to walk away if something feels off. When you set your terms, you'll enjoy the ride you paid for, and the memories will be all the sweeter. Venice rewards those who venture off the beaten path. The city's hidden corners and secret canals are waiting for those willing to explore beyond the obvious. Don't let a gondola scam sink your experience. With a little preparation and confidence, you can glide through Venice with peace of mind. So set your course, trust your instincts, and glide through Venice on your own terms, making memories that are truly yours. Pisa's Leaning Tower is iconic, and so are the tourist traps around it. But before you snap that classic photo, let's dig into what makes this monument so fascinating. Construction began in 1173, and the tower started leaning almost immediately due to soft ground and a poor foundation. Over the centuries, engineers tried, and failed, to correct its tilt, making it a marvel of medieval engineering and persistence. Many visitors think the tower is about to topple, but thanks to modern stabilization, it's safe to climb. Still, the area swarms with aggressive souvenir vendors selling low-quality trinkets. The real danger: pickpockets who prey on distracted tourists posing for photos. Always be aware of your surroundings. Ignore pushy vendors, Buy souvenirs only from official shops if you must. Look for authenticity stamps to avoid fakes. Keep valuables secure. Use a money belt or cross-body bag and never leave bags unattended. Lock zippers and keep bags in front of you in crowded areas. Travel with a friend so one can watch your belongings while the other snaps photos. Teamwork keeps you safe. Enjoy the classic holding up the tower shot, but stay alert. The best photos are taken early in the morning or late afternoon when crowds thin out. Don't let the photo op distract you from your safety. Keep an eye on your belongings at all times. Explore the cathedral and baptistry for a richer experience. Many skip these gems, but they're just as breathtaking as the tower itself. Did you know you can climb nearly 300 steps to the top for a stunning view of Pisa? Book tickets in advance. They sell out quickly. The best souvenir is your memory of this marvel. Learn a bit about its history before you visit, and you'll appreciate it even more. Stay aware, protect yourself, and enjoy the wonder. Pisa will delight, not disappoint, if you visit smart. Florence is famed for art and leather goods, but many made-in-Italy items at markets are low-quality imports, not true Florentine craftsmanship. Salespeople may use tricks like the lighter test to convince you, but don't be fooled. High-quality leather is never cheap, and real artisans are found in workshops, not street stalls. Look for rich smell, neat stitching, and knowledgeable shop owners. Visit the Scuola del Cuoio to see real artisans at work and buy genuine goods. Avoid deals that seem too good to be true. Support authentic craftsmanship, not imitations. The real treasure is a piece that lasts, and a story to match. Be discerning, and Florence will reward you. Don't let a fake souvenir tarnish your trip. Choose quality over quantity. Milan's Duomo is stunning, but the piazza is a hotspot for scams. Friendly men offer free bracelets or birdseed, quickly tying a string on your wrist. Once it's on, they demand payment, sometimes aggressively. The trick, don't let them touch you. Keep your hands in your pockets and say a firm, no, sell. Move on without engaging. Their strategy relies on your hesitation. Nothing is truly free in tourist hotspots. Book Duomo tickets in advance, and don't let distractions ruin your visit. The rooftop terraces offer breathtaking views. Focus on the experience, not the hustle. Protect your space, and enjoy Milan's masterpiece. Stay assertive, and you'll avoid the trap. The real gift is the view, not a string bracelet. Experience Milan on your own terms. Cinque Terre's trails promise stunning views, but also overwhelming crowds in peak season. The famous Blue Trail can become a slow-moving line with little room to enjoy the scenery. You'll need a Cinque Terre card, but in summer, you may pay just to stand in a human traffic jam. For a better experience, visit in spring or fall, or hike early morning or late afternoon. Explore higher, less crowded trails for even more breathtaking views. Use the local train to skip crowded sections, and see each village at your own pace. Avoid the fantasy of solitude in summer. Plan strategically. The real magic is in the quieter paths and authentic moments. Be considerate, and Cinque Terre will reveal its true beauty. Escape the crowds, and find the soul of the coast. Italy's beauty comes with challenges, but knowledge is your best defense. Be prepared, book official tickets, and question deals that seem too good to be true. Avoid unsolicited gifts, and don't be afraid to walk away. Seek out local artisans, visit sites at off-peak hours, and explore beyond the tourist trail. This is how you become a true traveler, not just a tourist. I hope these tips help you create unforgettable Italian memories. Like and subscribe for more travel insights, and share your own tips in the comments. Until next time, travel safely and travel wisely.